Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat 2025. Alright, and click on App Store or Google Play and click on search and write Snapchat. Click on this and click on update or get or install or open and hit OK. Alright, and open Snapchat. Open Snapchat and click on left corner your avatar profile and scroll down and search Spotlight and Snap Map and click on Add Spotlight and click on this and click on Story, click on Add Story and send and your profile public. Alright, and this is my public profile. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me